Watch this auto body shop video for Waco Texas Lacy-Lakeview service, body collision repair quote. As a vehicle proprietor, it is your responsibility to look for expert assistance for auto repair solutions whenever required. This is since the sophisticated innovations utilized in vehicles needs a professionally trained auto mechanic to fix them if the requirement occurs, as well as looking for inexperienced assistance might do even more damage than great. You can obtain licensed car service center that would certainly prepare to provide you the very best technological support for your vehicle, at inexpensive prices. It is best to search for a business that has comprehensive experience in this market, as well as which has a tradition of client-complete satisfaction. It's constantly much better to be risk-free than sorry when it comes to something as important as well as costly as a vehicle. Together with routine maintenance as well as upkeep, there are a number of various other solutions that can be carried out by a car service center. The requirement for car accident repair work is among the most awful headaches for any type of vehicle proprietor. Nevertheless, with the dependable solutions of expert auto mechanics coming to you, you can recover your vehicle back to being just as good as brand new, without needing to invest a ton of money. It is essential to guarantee that all the devices, paints, frameworks, etc., utilized are of the very best high quality, which the car service center has the required facilities, such as humidity control, required for the procedure. Car Information Solutions might do you an entire globe of great if you like your collection of wheels as well as would certainly such as to delight in some lavish treatment. You can conserve a great deal of cash by selecting sophisticated touch-up methods as well as rubbing techniques with no swirl assurance, which conserves the requirement for a repaint. The solution of paintless damage repair work, PDR, discovered at some car service center is likewise a fantastic method to obtain ideal vehicle outsides on a budget plan. Ensure that the solution is carried out by trained PDR specialists. You can likewise take advantage of a host of extra vehicle repair work solutions depending upon your requirements, that include indoor as well as furniture repair work, as well as windscreen repair work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.